Hello, welcome back to the lake house. It's been a few days since I videoed anything, quite some time actually, maybe a week or more. It's getting to the end of February now. This is the view from where I'm sitting on the air mattress that I brought over to use as a soft place to sit while we take breaks. We've been here, it's Saturday, we've been here since about 10:45 this morning. Oh, here's Palmer.
A little scraper.
Which one are you looking for?
It's a little small one.
It's on the 5-gallon jug of Soulful Gray. There's a lovely example of how we work together. One of us puts something down and then the other one tells the other one where they did that later on, hopefully. Anyway, I thought I'd go around and show what we've done today so far, because things have happened, but it's a lovely day out, so I also thought I would show our little view down to the lake while I talked. There's not much else going on in this front room. I still need to buy more paint. Other than that, that's about it. In this room, I've done a little bit of painting, primer painting on the window casing that had been brown before. Also realizing that there's some stuff to address here with the masonry, but we'll be able to work on that. I think what we've decided, because this floor out here is gray, I think we're going to paint the brick also a dark gray, I think. I just don't think I'm gonna otherwise be able to get it clean enough to make me happy. We'll see. Let me know if someone has an opinion. This is the back side of that closet. Still needs to be painted, but it is mudded for the most part, and seamed up. This is where Palmer does some of his handyman work while he cuts boards. He's making closet pieces today. The only other thing is this room. I am done with the green. It turned out really nice. Ooh, this light though makes it kind of warm toned, but it is closest room to being done, I suppose. Then in through here, I have already primed now the inside of this. It had been just the backing of the drywall. So I've got to figure out what to do with the inside of this. I think I might paint the walls the white and the cabinetry itself the color of the walls that are going to be out here, which will be gray. We'll see. Also, let's talk about this brick. This is not real brick, really. It's a fascia that was put on. You can see it's really thin, and in some places a piece isn't there anymore. So you can see that's just the drywall that I put a touch of primer over. So at this point, this brick and this brick here in the kitchen, which is that same fascia stuff, and up above, I think I'm gonna paint it because it looks passable, but I can see too well in real life that it's not that great. So I think we're gonna paint it. So all the brick at this point is getting painted. Apparently that's just my new thing, is that I like to paint brick. Otherwise, I pulled the paper, the contact paper down off the cabinet shelves, started cleaning those out. It doesn't really look like it, but this is the clean version. These other cabinets got a little bit cleaner. They're all gonna be clean. They're all gonna be painted, and then I'll probably end up putting more contact paper down. At this point, we're planning to keep these cabinets and make it work. They just need need a little bit of updoing. We'll replace the hardware. I've watched some videos on how to paint cabinets and I've done it a few times. So that's how the kitchen is coming along. I think I want to put shelves here on this white section, and over here in this empty spot I think we're gonna get a 3-drawer little cabinet and put that in, hopefully. So there won't be a dishwasher, but otherwise this room does not have any drawers. There's these false ones here, but they are not real, so that doesn't really help. So that's the tentative plan with the kitchen. Back over here in this room, the closet is basically done. It just needs to be painted and things. This is what Palmer's been building today, the little closet bar pieces. So we'll hang a bar across here and then put a shelf above it, so they'll have some storage. And over here, it used to be the door to the bathroom, and it has been freshly drywalled or mudded. That is all wet still, so I can't touch it. And then when you're out here, you can see there's our new bathroom door, also freshly mudded. I got all the rest of the tile up today. So the floor is very sticky, and you can definitely tell how uneven it is. I don't think there's any saving this floor though. I do like the real tile, but I don't know if there's a way to get all the adhesive up or clean. So I think our best bet is just to get it level, put a new floor down, and call it good. This is the other side of the former door. Here's our new door. It also got a doorknob today attached. That was exciting. So now it's a more accessible bathroom. And other than that, let's see, Palmer's been finishing up the corners on this. So when you come in from this way, you have this. I think I've shown this by now. And this used to be the door. It has been primed. And then the last thing is Palmer's other new closet in this room, which he's working on at the moment. It's going to be a good size, and it's all framed out and ready to go for the most part.